Welcome to the channel. Today I just was gonna talk about my bird feeders and stuff. I cut back on feeding the birds a little bit because of all the blackbirds, the grackles and the red-winged blackbirds. They were just eating everything, trashing everything, wasting all the food. So I cut back, all right? But then, I like feeding my birds. I like, my chickadees. I like my downy woodpeckers. I like my nuthatches, the cardinals, the what do I want to say? Goldfinches and the purple finches and stuff like that. But when I put out my feeders and feed them seed, sunflower seeds, I like to do the sunflower seeds because it's what most of them will eat. I'm trying to buy one food, not a whole bunch, but then the grackles and the blackbirds, red-winged blackbirds, come in and whatever, trash everything. So I'm just trying to cut down on feeding them and get them away. So I bought a new feeder, and came in a nice package here. Nice gift box, if you want to consider it a gift for somebody. But anyway, I bought this tube feeder here. If you're interested, there will be a link in the description below. And it's got little, it's a tube feeder, holds quite a bit. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 spots where the birds could feed. All right, and it's got a little post, little perch, and a hole there. So the perch is too big. I mean, not too big. The grackles and the red-winged blackbirds are a little bit too big to perch on here, so they can't settle on there that good. So they don't like it. So they have not been. They tried, and that was it. So I've been getting my goldfinches are back, purple finches are back, which I haven't had all summer so far because I stopped feeding the seed. This is my second filling. It's been out for over a week. So, yeah, took a while for the birds to come back. A couple chickadees. The only thing is, the cardinals don't like it. So I don't know if the perch is too small for them. The cardinals don't like to sit there, so I don't know. I'll have to figure something out. I like to feed the cardinals too. Of course, I still have my one suet here. So the blackbirds and the grackles trash this. And they're eating this. I've only been putting out the one suet. I'm not putting out that suet. Just one suet a day. Cutting down. I wish I could get rid of the blackbirds and the grackles. So I may try to do an upside down suet feeder where you got to eat from the bottom. It's flat. So the downies supposedly will still come in, but of course the grackles, the black-winged blackbirds, don't like to hang upside down. So I may try that, but that will eliminate some other birds from eating. So I don't know. Gotta try some different things. Anyway, I just wanted to show you my new bird feeder. So my goldfinches and purple finches are back, at least. In the chickadees, a couple here and there, but it's summertime, so they're out hiding. They'll be in the evening, morning time and stuff. But anyway, just a quick little video update on my bird feeder situation, trying to cut down on the grackles and the red-winged blackbirds. So this feeder is working out for that. Like I said, the Link in the description below if you're interested. Relatively inexpensive. And the downy just flew on. And here comes the, yep, go away, blackbird. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, yeah. There goes my downy. Yeah. Oh, and then we got a little buddy here. You want peanut? Another one. See ya. Where was I? Anyway, link in the description below if you're interested in this bird feeder. We'll see how good it lasts. It's working out. Anyway, want to see another video? Check out the next one up here. And yeah, just keeping it real for you. And quick, easy video. See you next time. Peace.